guys, what's going on? My name is Luis, and God bless to every single one of you. So we have big breaking news coming out. Multiple US northeastern states are getting hit by this huge, massive blizzard. Power outages are going down in some states and remain steady in others. So we're going to see what's going on here, guys. And I just posted a video of a travel ban in Rhode Island and other states, including New York. So we are praying for millions of people out there, and please be safe and make sure you stay warm. Charge your phones, and again, we're gonna be praying for millions of people out there. All right, guys. Before I start, for those of you that want to send us letters or prayer requests, you can send it to me, US Santiago, or my wife, Jessica Santiago, at 3432 US Highway 19, number 2, Holiday, Florida, 34691. One thing I tell you, this is a tough job. I mean, it's tough. It's tough. This job is really tough. Sending prayers to all the hardworking people out there, man. It says power outages across the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic regions have seen a slow decline Monday, with more than 500,000 customers affected as of 5 p.m. Man, almost 500,000. Well, yeah, almost 500,000. So outages in some states like Virginia and Connecticut have decreased since earlier this morning. Meanwhile, outages have remained about the same in Massachusetts and Rhode Island. Parts of 5 states have tallied more than 2 feet of snow in the storm. Connecticut, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, and Rhode Island, where Providence broke its all-time snow record. Now, here are the top outages by state as of 5 p.m. Eastern Time. All right, so Massachusetts is number 1. Rhode Island's number 2. New York, number 3. New Jersey, number 4. Wow, New Jersey. Almost 100,000. Delaware, number 5. Connecticut, number 6. Maryland, number 12. And give me a second here, guys. All right, I truly apologize, guys. I had to let my dog back in. All right, so you have Maryland and Virginia. So these are the states that have seen power outages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 states. Man. So 8 states. So here's another one. Blizzard conditions slow down power restoration efforts in Massachusetts, company says. Ooh. So you got snow and strong wind. That is brutal, man. Oh. Man. I woke up this morning and I saw a lot of videos on X, and it seems like, it was nighttime out there in New York, but it just, the sun is blocked. You have this massive blizzard just blocking the sun. The blizzard conditions are making it difficult for workers at National Grid, a key electric and gas company in Massachusetts, to restore power to tens of thousands of its customers. More than 50,000 customers across Massachusetts are without power. While our crews are deployed and ready, the weather conditions are expected to limit restoration efforts throughout the day. Now it says here, the full restoration work can begin when the conditions improve, the company said. Eversource, another company, said More than 234,000 of its customers in eastern Massachusetts are in the dark. Wow. Massachusetts governor says she has been in communication with both Eversource and National Grid about the outages. Both companies have crews ready to respond, she said, but the issue is going to be access. The wind needs to die down to make it safe for people to go up in bucket trucks, and the roads needs to be cleared. Massachusetts Emergency Management Agency Director Don Bradley also said it is anticipated to be a multi-day process to restore power. Multi-day process to restore power. This is going to take a while. Power crews are also stranded in Massachusetts. Man. Man. Some power crews staged in the Boston area have been unable to reach outage sites as heavy wet snow and wind gusts topping 65 miles per hour made roads impossible on Monday. Oh, man, this is bad. This is bad. Look at this here. Even ambulances and snowplows are getting stuck in the snow. Emergency vehicles were no match for the onslaught of snow in North Providence, Rhode Island. Now, many trucks, including 10-wheel dumps, are getting stuck, the town posted on Facebook. The larger trucks are also being pulled away from their routes to assist rescue vehicles and fire trucks that are stuck handling medical and fire emergency all over town. It's time to send in the cyber trucks. I'm kidding, guys. In the state's capital of Providence, some plow trucks were forced to pull over due to poor visibility, the mayor told the news. And in Massachusetts, an ambulance got trapped by heavy snow just outside a hospital in the city of Attleboro, the news said. The tow truck that tried to free the ambulance got stuck. Oh my goodness. "14 minutes ago, Broadway show canceled Monday evening after Who in the world has a Broadway show in this blizzard condition?" All right, I'm just gonna skip this one here. Again, this doesn't make any sense. There's travel ban, but why is there a Broadway show going on? I want to see the outage. Okay. In total, 532,222 without power. Give me a second here. California is how much? California is only 18,000. So 500,000 without power. And these are the states here. You got Maryland, Delaware, New Jersey. Massachusetts is the big one. Yeah, Massachusetts is like the biggest one. Whew. Man, we are sending prayers to a lot of people out there. But once again, power outages is really, really happening, and it's going to take possibly days for people to get the lights back on. I mean, you still got some snow coming down, and man, this is bad. This is bad. But anyway, guys, this is all the information when it comes to power outages. 500,000 is still without power. You have cruise workers, they trying their best, but they getting stuck in snow. Ambulances getting stuck. This is the reason why the New York City mayor, has put out a travel ban. They don't want people to get stuck. So this is where we at right now, guys. We are praying for multiple states out there. Massachusetts, you guys are the big one. We're praying for you too. We're praying for everyone. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. For those of you that want to send us letters or prayer request, you can send it to me, US Santiago, or my wife, Jessica Santiago, at 3432 US Highway 19, number 2, Holiday, Florida, 34691. Thank you so much for watching, guys. God bless you all. Put your faith and trust in Jesus Christ, for He's the only way, the truth, and the life. No one gets to the Father except through Jesus. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time later. Peace.